14 Amazon products I use every day. This is a cactus back scratcher, which gets those hard to reach places. This is a laundry turtle, which makes it easy to get your laundry out of the dryer. This is a surge protector with 22 outlets and 6 USB ports, so you can charge every device in your house at the same time. This is a room doorbell that makes a ringing sound when people want to come in. These are measuring spoons that magnetically connect together to save space. If you're tired of things falling behind your bed, this gadget prevents that and has a sleeve for your phone. This is an electric scrubber that deep cleans your toilet, and it even has a UV light to kill bacteria. This is a portable monitor that gives you 2 extra screens, and it folds up so you can travel with it. This is the perfect hanger for closets that are low on space because it folds down and holds 5 times as many shirts. This gadget can clean your jewelry and retainers, and the vibrations get rid of 99% of germs. This is an ice barrel that I use every morning as an alternative to coffee, and it has a ton of health benefits. This is a dog car seat that extends over the seats to give your pets more room, and you can use it in a ton of different ways. This is a duster which can clean up hair in the sink or crumbs on the counter, and you can rinse it after each use. This is a glow-in-the-dark remote case, so you never misplace it ever again. This is a plant safe which has a secret compartment where you can hide your stuff.